Why people think this kitchen remodeling is AI. Hi, this is Ali with Home Design. I bring you to the beautiful kitchen that we recently done in Chantilly, Virginia. This kitchen wasn't look like this at all. We had the wall here with the opening, sink was under that wall, and we had another opening there. We take it out, we put the very long beam and open up the whole space together. And as you see here, it was a small island with the cooktop on it. We removed the cooktop and we gave them 48-inch beautiful thermodor range here, and with a very nice hood area and two sconces on the both sides with two cabinets that's sitting on the corner and they are sitting on the countertop, and some nice pull-out spice rack. Here was a double oven that we move it, and we gave them very nice microwave here, and the other ovens are under the range. And the trash can, dishwasher, everything is in the island, and sink is in the island. And here I want to show you the beautiful things that we done. It was a built-in pantry. We removed it. We gave them cabinet with 4 roll-out shelves that is very nice and beautiful. You can see them. And the hidden refrigerator and flush mount with the decorative door on it. And here we gave them very beautiful shelving with the light on top of it that is gonna break the space a little bit and make the space look nicer. And this side you have a metal black door that brings some kind of color to the kitchen. Is very nice, beautiful. All of them has a light inside. And the last part that I want to show it to you, it was the flooring that we done and the fireplace. The fireplace wasn't even close to this. We make a very beautiful fireplace. We done the drywall fireplace with the linear electric fireplace under it and TV on top. And as you see on the both side, we have a cabinet that they can store everything. Don't forget that two sconce light, beautiful sconce light on the both side of the fireplace. If you have home remodeling project, don't hesitate to save this and follow us for more tips.